Hey, welcome paddleguide.com. In this trip report I'm doing something different for a change. I'm going out with my friend Matthew here in his Hobie. This is the Mirage Tandem Island. Can be both pedalled and sailed at the same time. Matthew's setup is probably one of the best setups I've ever seen on a kayak. You're going to love some of this gear. Check out how he's utilising the Railblazer system to maximise the space on this platform. I've always wanted to have a go on one of these Hobies to see what it's like. Matthew's brought this down to my local beach in Stanmore Bay. I've got a light breeze blowing, which is perfect for the sail. Matthew used to be a paddler himself until he injured his shoulder. Thought that would be the end of his paddling days or his kayaking days until he found a Hobie. The ability to pedal the kayak means you can still get on the water and do what it is we love doing. For me, I'd have to say the sailing's probably the part I'm most looking forward to. There's very few times I can say I'm looking forward to getting out on a kayak when it's windy. With a few final checks to the gear and everything loaded up, we're going to head out there and drop the long line, sail around for a bit and flick some soft plastics around and see what we can catch. For those that haven't tried this, the thing that really surprised me about the pedaling is how hard it is. I do a lot of paddling, so I'm pretty fit, but I tell you that pedaling, when you're not used to doing it, is really hard on the legs. But that's quickly forgotten when you've got the assistance of this big sail. That wraps up my first time in a Hobie. Absolutely enjoyed it. I look forward to getting out on the water with Matthew again soon, and I can see a place in my life for one of these Hobies, especially with the kids. It's a great thing for them to be able to all get on board with me. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Look forward to sharing more videos with you. Thanks for watching.